Hello everybody, I hope you are doing great. Let's create this slide in the PowerPoint under 3 minutes, very fast and it's looking very beautiful. Okay, at first we need to insert a slide. In the slide, we format the background and we send the picture from the here, and after adding the picture, we apply it to all. Okay, now we need to create the text. We create a rectangle here. Okay, it's nice, a rectangle. Then copy the text. The text is just a simple text using impact. After doing that, we bring it here, press Ctrl A in the shape format, and then use combine. You see, but the problem is we need to increase the font. Now select both of them, shape format, combine. But another problem we have is that we need to align the center and middle. Select all of them, combine. Then we make the color of the background white and set the shape outline to none, and also we can create some great effect by giving the shadow, giving the glow we want. This glow is making it more beautiful, and also give it some inner shadow. You see, the inner shadow size is too big for this kind of presentations, but in the text is bigger, it looks better. Okay, after that we need to copy this slide, increase the size, set the shape outline to no fill, then copy the text and paste it here. Some of you may ask how this thing happened. This thing is just a picture, we crop it, and before cropping that we set the picture transparency sharpness -100 and -46 brightness, and set the transition to morph. Let's the magic happen. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice night.